Russian boys?
Yeah, man.
Bypass the firewall via access point to reveal the laptop location and manually activate it for my hack.
There's one group,
Yeah, one looks like it.
Stand by for firewall access point coordinates. Hostile retired. Friendly down. 3 remaining. Okay, I have 2 firewall access point locations coming to your devices. And then there was one. Time to become a legend.
Alright, you got one on top of the containers where you're able to shoot up towards the ship. He's jumped down near the firewall. Ah, doesn't matter.
How unfortunate. Contract revoked.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
That was terrible. Okay. Oh man.
Right then. Prevent hostiles from destroying the firewall, gaining access to our servers, and hacking the data on that laptop. Firewall access point locations are compromised. Hostiles detected and moving to their coordinates. Hostiles have decrypted the firewall. The laptop location is compromised. Protect it at all costs.
Oh, you're joking me.
Friendly
There's
down.
2 on the
remaining.
walkway. 3 on the walkway. 2 have gone down. Oh, they've dropped down each side.
Hostile down. 3 remaining.
One's coming behind you. 2 in front of you, man.
Hostile down. 2
Nice.
remaining.
Unlucky dude.
Very unlucky. Doesn't matter.
Oh.
Hostiles detected at laptop location. And you call yourselves professionals? Contract revoked.
That's the perfect score of getting nothing at all. 100. You can't get lower than that, team.
That's alright, we'll get them next round, man.
I'm fortunate I've live streamed both of those games. Just done
you
terribly.
streamed?
Yeah. And I've just sucked twice, sorry dudes. Alright, this time we got them. We're in. Boom boom.
Yep.
Oh, look, your outfit matches your gun. That's cute, isn't it?
You know the drill. Breach the firewall via access point to reveal the laptop coordinates and get me in the back door for the hack.
No, you don't want to go up those stairs.
Alright, I'm on your 6.
Too easy. Firewall access point locations uploaded to devices.
Sneaker, have a look.
They're coming.
I got one down around the corner. Come around and grab me. Come out and grab me. Shot roll.
Hostile retired. 3 remaining.
Oh.
Firewall down. Laptop coordinates are live to devices.
Oh yeah, I've got them all on the steps there.
Let's go. Up.
And I ate a grenade. Nice one. Where are they?
Oh, why am I the last one
Oh,
standing
they're
there?
behind you, bro. They're behind you. They're coming in the door that we all went in. There's 3 of them stacked. Yep, that's the direction they're coming from now.
In the kitchen.
Yep, there's 2 of them together. I'll get a better camera angle
So
for
you're
you.
going through the kitchen,
One's gone upstairs.
coming into the...
Here he comes to you. Yep, straight to your right.
Oh, man. We got lag.
Inadequate. At best. Contract revoked.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetheart. It's alright, we'll get another game. That guy took my kill, which is pretty stink. But it happens. Just make sure I'm not getting any notifications. Yep. Hey guys. Alfie, Goofy, and Combatus. Combaticus.
obeys marching orders. Protect the firewall access points and the
If I
data
can
on
get
that
one in
laptop
there.
with your life. Piece of cake, right?
Worst place ever, I'm sure.
Low-level hostile network hack detected. They're going for the firewall access point locations. Take them out.
Fucking knew it.
You're the sole survivor.
The whole fucking team's
Time
over
to
there.
see what you're made of.
Fuck,
Hostiles
bro.
have the firewall access point locations and are moving to them. Get cracking. They're trying to crack open that laptop manually. Firewall still at 100%. Seconds. Bloody hell. You had one job. Contract revoked.
Not such a good start. Three games, 3 losses. Ah, we had someone leave. Never helps.
Fuck. I gotta do it.
It's one of the problems with this game. If the hosts leave, then everybody gets kicked out instead of it just going to a new player.
Yeah. But it's glitching still up. I don't know why. Yeah, perhaps I just find out when it's lagging, it's going up. So maybe they like, oh, you're lagging, so you got to level up, man.
Whoa, level 100.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I thought it will be in the first DLC, but it was not. Yeah, and guns, yeah, 3 new guns.
Oh my gun, oh.
Yeah, P90 and FAMAS. Yeah, they call.
Oh, all of my contractor
I like
stuff.
it, but first 2 days when it was like really good, but then they nerf it. And oh, fine. Like I already got like 2.7 million, so it was like. Yeah, but I really like this guy's gun because first I tried, I get ace like for.
What's that one called?
Yeah, I use the same, yeah, exactly, and it was good on the long range too. That's true. But then I starts to become like shitty, like really shitty and losing, and I was like, what happened to me? I'm really that shitty now? Then I changed one A0. No, everything is normal. Yeah. Yeah, because it's really fast. Yeah, and like at first time it was like 4 or 5 bullets and he was down, but now it's like you say 12, something like this.
What the heck?
Operation is live. Decrypt the firewall at an access point. Locate the
My
laptop
gun's
and
reset
manually
to
activate it for the hack.
the very most basic one.
Just check on right if there's a firewall.
Too easy. Firewall access point locations uploaded to devices.
Nice.
Hostile retired. Firewall breached. Laptop location acquired. Let's do this.
There's laptop up. Okay. I'm going to the staircase and I'm back.
Gosh, how do you even aim this thing?
Friendly down. 3 remaining.
Okay. Wait, postcard for me. I make a noise.
Hostile deleted. 2 remaining.
Let's make some noise.
I'll make some noise, got a
Oh fuck.
grenade.
Hostile erased. 1 remaining.
Okay.
Manually activate that laptop so I can start the hack.
Okay, jammer skew.
You need to retire that hostile signal jammer
That's it.
first.
That's it.
Flawless victory. Contract payments initiated to encrypted wallets.
I changed playing with the loadout.
Yeah. Yeah, really like stickies. Because when you knock somebody down, you just place a sticky and you don't worry about it. Like, please revive, don't give a shit.
And if they're on the other side of a door, you can just throw it on
Oh.
the floor there and perfect.
Oh, I have many C4 kills. Oh,
Came in, went out.
normally I just put a door blocker and then a C4 on other door. I just wait until they came to me. They came through the door and then I blow it and it's working all the time.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly. Because when you blow it too early, like they haven't came through the door, you won't kill them. Yeah, he has a blast proof, and you won't kill them either, even if you walk through the door. But then it's like 2 bullets to knock him down. That's why I'm using a black guy, exactly. That's the reason. And then noob tube is also good for it.